Sayyidina Abdullah bin Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma has stated, there was a king who once made a visit to his kingdom. During the visit, he stayed at the house of a person who was unaware that his guest was the king. In the evening, the host milked his cow. The king was amazed to see that the quantity of the milk taken from the cow was equal to that of 30 cows. The king internally made the bad intention of snatching the unique cow from the host. The next day, the quantity of the milk taken from the cow was half compared to the previous day quantity. The king expressed surprise at this. The host responded, the king has intended to oppress his people, which has resulted in the quantity of the milk being reduced to half. If the king is an oppressor, blessings go away. Listening to this surprising truth, the king changed his intention and decided not to snatch the unique cow oppressively. The next day, the quantity of the milk taken from the cow was the same as was the first day, like 30 cows. Encouraged by this incident, the king learnt a great lesson and gave up oppressing his subjects. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ala Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.